In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a project on Basecamp. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Basecamp all the way to setting your project dates and confirming everything is ready to go. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause whenever you need to. First, start by going to the Basecamp homepage. This is the main dashboard where all of your existing projects and teams live. If you're already logged in, you'll usually land here automatically. If not, log into your account and then look for the Home option in the main navigation. This is your starting point anytime you want to create something new. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option to create a new project. On most Basecamp layouts, you'll see a button or a link that says something like New Project or Make a New Project. Click that and you'll be taken to a new project setup page. Here you'll see a field where you can type in your project's name. This is what Basecamp calls highlight in the guide, but it's really just the main project title. Take a moment to choose a clear, descriptive name, something that makes sense to everyone on your team. Type that into the project name field. Below that, you may see an optional description or additional details area, which is also referred to as highlight in the guide. Use this space to briefly explain what the project is about, who it's for, or any key goals. This is especially helpful if you work with multiple teams or have lots of projects running at the same time. Next, click on the option that says Add Start-End Dates. This is where you'll define the project timeline. When you click that, a calendar will pop up. First, choose the start date for your project. In the example, we're clicking on the 19th, but on your screen, pick the actual date your project should begin. Click that date to set it as the start. Then, choose your end date. In the guide, this is shown as clicking on the 31st. Again, you'll want to select the date that realistically represents your project's deadline or wrap-up date. Once your start and end dates are selected, confirm them in the calendar pop-up. After that, you'll see the dates reflected back on the project setup page. Finally, look for the main button to create or save the project. This is another one of the highlight clicks in the guide. Click that, and Basecamp will create your new project with the name, description, and dates you just set. That's it. You've successfully made a project on Basecamp, and you're ready to start adding to-dos, messages, and files inside it.